Oppo Reno 16 Pro Global versus Oppo Reno 16 Pro China. The Reno 16 Pro China offers a more comfortable profile, measuring a sleeker 7.7mm compared to the thicker 8.2mm. For a much lighter experience, the Reno 16 Pro Global wins by coming in at an easier to hold 188 grams. The Reno 16 Pro China takes the lead with its modern LTPO AMOLED display, outclassing the standard AMOLED panel. Both devices are fully equal on this front, as its model natively supports vivid and clear Yes HDR10 playback. The Reno 16 Pro Global provides an ultra-smooth performance with a faster 144Hz refresh rate. Outdoor visibility is beautifully balanced, with both variants pushing an identical blinding peak of 3600 nits. The Reno 16 Pro Global offers a slightly sharper and crisper visual experience with its higher 460 ppi density. With narrower bezels, the Reno 16 Pro China features a much more immersive 91.2% screen-to-body ratio. The Reno 16 Pro China is much sharper, delivering a crisp resolution of 1222 by 2772 pixels. For those who prefer expansive screens, the Reno 16 Pro China dominates with a much larger 6.78 inches display. Both premium models are fully equal, keeping their beautiful displays guarded with durability crystal clear glass. The Reno 16 Pro China delivers superior processing speeds thanks to its powerful 3.73 GHz. The Reno 16 Pro China takes the absolute lead here with its cutting-edge high-performance Dimensity 9500S. Gaming is much more powerful on the Reno 16 Pro China, which comes equipped with the advanced Immortalis Z925MC12. The Reno 16 Pro China pushes much more aggressive raw power, making it the supreme choice for heavy gaming. Both phones remain completely equal in terms of software, running the modern Android 16 ColorOS 16 platform. The Reno 16 Pro China easily wins on endurance, carrying a massive and much long-lasting 7000 mAh capacity. To get you back into action fast, both competitive devices feature an identical and balanced 80-watt fast charging. Expanding your storage is not an option on either device, as both come with no expandable storage. Both flagship models offer an equal performance with rapid data read and write speeds using the fast UFS 3.1 text. The Reno 16 Pro China dominates heavy multitasking demands with its larger and incredibly spacious 16 GB of RAM. Storage needs are fully equal on both smartphones, as both offer an identical, spacious 512 GB capacity. Photography capabilities are equal, with both supporting a 200MP wide, 50MP ultra-wide, and 50MP telephoto. Cinematics are equal, with both smartphones recording ultra-smooth footage at a matching resolution of 4K at 60 FPS. Front-facing photography is completely equal, with both utilizing an identical high-res 50MP f2.0 lens. Vlogging is perfectly balanced and equal, as both front cameras capture premium content at 4K at 60 FPS. Both premium builds are equal, offering top-tier environmental protection with a rugged IP69 1.5-meter rating. Wired audio files will not die, as both devices feature no 3.5mm headphone port built-in. Data transfer are completely equal on both sides, with both utilizing the universal Type-C 2.0 port. Audio output is beautiful balance, with both flagship devices offering a rich, immersive stereo setup. Wireless connectivity is a clean tie, with both devices employing the stable, power-efficient Bluetooth 5.4. Contactless payments are completely equal, with both modern devices providing native yes functionality. Biometric security is perfectly balanced, with both opting for a fast, modern in-display sensor. The Reno 16 Pro Global offers better versatile connectivity with its flexible two-SIM eSIM configuration. The Reno 16 Pro China provides faster future-proof wireless performance with its advanced 5G Wi-Fi 7 support. If you want to save your wallet, the Reno 16 Pro China is much more budget-friendly and affordable. The Reno 16 Pro China completely dominates this comparison with an impressive final score of 30 points.